Hey everybody, today in this video we'll show you how you can make tornado potatoes, also known as twist potatoes. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is we'll stick a skewer through it, like that. Okay, we skewered the 3 potatoes, and now we're going to slice them up. What you want to do is slice it at an angle, and then spiral around the potato. Try to keep the potatoes evenly sliced. There you go. We have one done. We have the last one ready, and now we're gonna season it. The first thing we'll do is we're gonna brush some butter on it. We have here around 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna just spread it nice and even all around the potatoes. Turn them around. Make sure to brush some of the butter in the insides of the potato. We're going to add some garlic salt to it. And then we're going to turn them around, do the same thing. Next we're going to add some paprika. And some Parmesan cheese. Turn it around and do the same thing again. Paprika. And then next, some Parmesan cheese. And now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna preheat the air fryer at 280 degrees. And we're gonna go for 25 minutes. And start. We're gonna add one last seasoning to the potatoes. We're gonna add some rosemary. Try to put some of the rosemary in between the potatoes. There we go. Okay, the air fryer is preheated, and now we're going to put in the potatoes. Okay, looking good so far. Make sure they're spread apart. And we're going to put it back in. And we're going to leave it in there for 280 degrees for 25 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 25 minutes, and now we're going to take them out. Look at that, looking great. brush some additional butter on it. And we're gonna put a little bit more of Parmesan cheese. And this is what we have today, tornado potatoes. Give it a try, it's really delicious and it's really easy to make. And thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!